Well, after the Catalina, we've come to see the Red Bull P-38, which again is absolutely beautiful. Gary and I first saw this when we were going to the Air Force Museum, Commemorative Air Force Museum, back in 2007, 8, something like that. And obviously it's now with Red Bull. It's so beautiful. It's now 7 o'clock at night, so it's a nice time to sort of come and look at some of the aircraft. A lot of them are already covered, ready and put to bed for night, but not this absolutely beautiful P-47 Thunderbolt. Looks like it, something drops lots of oil. It is absolutely beautiful. It's amazing the sort of supercharger system, the stainless steel ducting as well, goes into this aircraft. So that's obviously some kind of intercooler or whatever. It's just immaculate. So this is an air core aviation restoration, I believe. So you can see the collars on the blades. These ones would be hollow blades, because it's electric, so steel. So you can see an awful lot of stainless steel for the supercharger and everything. You've got the 450 cows per wing. Lights under the wing. Seal the canopy just in case tonight, so it rains. It's been raining a bit today, but the really good thing is it sort of dries you out really quickly, so it dries out really quickly, so it doesn't really matter. But there you have it. I think this is a P-51 that I haven't seen before, to be honest. But then again, it could have just been repainted, changed owners and been repainted. This one's got lots of weapons in it. Was that too fast? It's quite a good name for a P-51. So you got your rockets, your 500-pound bombs. These aren't the cuffed blades. And bombs on the other side as well. I know we looked at the P-38 earlier, but I think it's well worth having another look at it, especially in this lighting. There's something very beautiful about seeing something like this. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? Beautifully shiny it is, how beautifully gorgeous it is. Immaculate. Lovely Red Bull marking as well. This one seems to have borrowed the Spitfire thing about having beer delivered, beer kegs. That's really nice. Again, it's another absolutely perfect restoration. I presume it's Irish, Shillelagh, or Irish. So this has got a nice history board, I'll tell you about it. And again, this is probably likely to be in contention for Grand Champion Warbird. At the same time, you get an airliner taking off that was part of the show. It really is quite an amazing event. Oshkosh is. There's nothing like it really. Need to do some polishing on these in the rain earlier. Beautiful. The other thing I didn't notice about it earlier when I was looking at this was how realistic the invasion stripes are, because they're actually painted like they would have at the time of the D-Day. So what you've got is you've got them painted very, very roughly on the metalwork around the with a big old brush, which is exactly what they did in reality. There's lots of pictures showing that. They didn't have time to faff about and make it all pretty. They just painted it. So quite rightly, some bits would have chipped off, and that's exactly how it would have been. So I like that realism. Also love the P-38 in the sun behind this. Fantastic. And more lots of detail. So you've got the fuel gauge here for the tank. You've also got the big old battery units that we would have had, and there's the aerial mast and also the on plating. Yeah, absolutely beautiful.